I want mommy. I want mommy.
Wait. A second. Hold on. Let me put your note up here so I realize what the little girl asking for. Close the blinds.
I don't like that one.
So, anywho, people, it's been a hot minute. It's been a very hot minute. I'm struggling with my views. I'm struggling with my life in general. I'm just over here struggling with life, trying to just trying to just figure out my life.
Then you gotta make
one thing about
videos.
me. Okay, I will make interesting videos. One thing about me is that when my life is not going really well in real life, I tend to stay off the internet. I don't know why. It just happened that way, where if things are not comfortable at home, it's hard for me to come on camera and pretend like everything is a-okay, because it's not. So when I'm struggling in my real life, you guys will tend to see it with my uploads and stuff like that. That's just how I show it. I don't come on here and, broadcast my business to the whole world. I'm not one of those chicks. I mean, I will share if it's going to help someone, but sometimes it's best to just be quiet and keep your mouth, and so with Madison, my sweet baby girl, she's struggling, and when my children are not doing great in life, I take offense. The main reason why I take offense is because my only job, is to make sure that they're being brought up properly and for success in the real world. Because after I'm dead and gone, they're gonna be left to fend for themselves in this world that is now becoming really ugly. So Madison is struggling, and I'm trying to get her in a good space where she will be one okay, and be a productive citizen of society. There will not always be my baby. I can't raise them that way. They are a gifted unto me for a higher purpose that I know nothing about. So all I can do is just do my job to the best of my ability. My sweet baby girl, on the other hand, very smart, very talented, struggles with speech, which most of you know, and thanks to, I believe it was Jessica who pointed it out to me, and lucky for me, she did it at a point where Head Start or early intervention, whatever you call it in your state. In our state, we call it early intervention or birth to 3. I was able to, get her some much needed resources and assistance with her speech. So Madison got into the program because she's struggling with her speech, and she's struggling with being social, and so she's getting speech. She does get speech once a week until her 3rd birthday, which is in November. So she's only in the program for a short time, but she will be going to preschool through the county, which I don't have a problem with. If my children needs help, wherever the help is, that's where I will go. You know me, I'm not prejudiced. Just because 2 of my children goes to private school, Adventist school like that, doesn't mean that I'm prejudiced to public education. So like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my husband. I'm not prejudiced to public education. If that's where I have to go to get service for my child who's struggling, that's where I'm going to go, because they don't provide that service in private school. And if you want that service, you have to pay for it. And private education is not cheap. And I don't got it like that. Never have, never will, and I will not pretend like I do, because we don't. So she will be going to preschool until she goes to, pre-K and kindergarten, and she will have an IEP. And I'm excited to be, an empty nester. Um, I don't know what that feels like to be home alone by myself. You never know. I might just up and make a baby.
By yourself.
Oh, wait. No. We're done having kids. But
You're with the dog.
I might get lonely and I need someone to keep my company here. So why not make a baby? That's what I'm good for. No, I'm joking. Totally joking, Might go get a job or something, but yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a bit of updates. You got something to say?
Yeah.
Say it. Go ahead.
Maddie only has school for 3 hours.
No, she has school
Yes?
from 7:45 a.m. in the morning until 1:45 in the evenings. And she will be riding the bus. I'm not prejudiced when it comes to the bus either, because Jordan rode the bus when he was in early intervention, because Jordan, my autistic son, he rode the bus. And when it comes to younger kids, like really young kids, they do take pride in making sure, don't do that, and making sure that they are properly taken care of on the bus, versus when they're much older, like kindergarten. They lost a few of my kids, the twins. They dropped them off when they shouldn't have at a different stop. Stuff like that. But when he was in pre-K and, preschool, he had someone that was on the bus with them and knew me and knew, okay, this is not his stop. And, like a second parent, basically. And they have to have someone there to sit with them. So she will be riding the bus, because it's not because I can't take my baby. She has to be at school at 7:45 a.m. and they have to be at school at 7:45 a.m. I can't be in two places. I can't be at two places at one time. I don't know. It broke my heart, because I'm like, that's my baby. That's my baby. Rob is all emotional, and he's a total wreck, and he's just like, I don't want my baby on the bus. But the two that goes to private school, it's not like I can just be like, hey, I need bus service for them, because there's no such thing. You have to provide your own food. You got to provide your own clothing. You got to provide your own transportation. You got to provide your own money to pay teachers. You got to provide everything. So I don't have an option with the two oldest that goes to private school, because I have 2 in public, 2 in private, and then another one in preschool through the county. So I'm all over the place. I'm an emotional wreck, because my children are being tugged and and I don't know what's the right decision. I don't know if what I'm doing is the right thing. I'm fighting constantly in my head with my decisions. Am I doing the right thing? Am I making the right decisions? Are these the right choices for my children? It's just like, and I just want to scream. And the last thing I can think about on top of all of this is making content for my YouTube channel that is slowly dwindling and just like, non-existent. I might have 10,300 subscribers, but if you don't put out content for you guys to watch, I'm not going to get the views that I want in order to make this substantial. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but all I'm trying to say is there's a lot going on in my family right now. And if you are a praying person, please pray for my family, because we need it. We need it.
You got something here?
I do. My face is a mess. I don't have makeup on, because you know me, I'm natural. I just come on here and just, I do me. I do me. You know what I mean? And so please hang in there with me, to my loyal day ones, my day one subbies, my day one sunshines. Hang in there. I always come back. You guys know me. I always come back. I'm a fighter. You know what I mean? I'm a fighter. I'm a survivor. I don't know anything else to do but fight. You know what I mean?
Who was your first
It's just in me to survive. You know, I don't know who was my first subscriber. If you guys know who my first subscriber was, please comment down below because I would love to know that. I also have some hats that I have to give away that just came in the mail. It's a bunch of them.
It's really
So if you guys want to enter a giveaway for hats, I can bring me the box of hats because it's been here for a hot second. So this company reached out to me and they wanted to, you know, give you guys something in return for me doing a video for them. Yeah, it's free. It's totally free. It ain't gonna cost me anything. It ain't gonna cost you anything. It's just, if you like the hats, you can purchase them. If you like the scarf, they sent me a new scarf. So it's a big old box.
Yay!
It's a big box filled with hats. Look at that. Hats for
This
days.
is my favorite one.
So we have a sunshine. Come on. We have a hat here. This is another one. This is a toddler hat. No, we're gonna pretend like this is a toddler. So hold your head. That's a nice sunny day. And then we have this one right here, which is a paradise. She's a gangster. Right there. And then we have
this hat.
Ooh, I like this. This one is my favorite.
Mom,
this is like,
Mom,
you know, when you want to be sophisticated. Whoa, there, buddy. I like that one. That's cute.
And then you have
Even a woman can wear it too if you want to be, you know, a little bit edgy. And then you have my favorite, which is, oh, you're having a bad hair day. This is a woman's hat, by the way. I look totally weird in hat.
Guys, and there's seashell ones.
It's like a ton of them.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Seashell ones.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, totally edgy. I have a ton of them, so if you guys want hats. Oh, look at this. Oh, I wish the little Maddie was here. This is so adorbs. So cute. Just pretend like this is a toddler. We're going to pretend like this is a toddler.
Mom.
OMG.
Mother,
Oh, look at this little stud. Oh, it's a stud. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is. I like that.
And then there's a New York one.
And then there's a New York one.
You
For the
snatched
stud.
it on my
Come. He's so short.
You snatched it.
Look at that. Oh my god.
I knew you were
Look at that.
Oh, and there's this camo one too.
Oh, there's camo too.
Yeah.
There's hats for days. I
And
love
then-
their hat. Their stuff is good quality.
Good son.
It's cold in here.
It's cold in here.
What?
Guess
I love
what?
This is an infinity
it's cold
scarf.
in here. Infinity scarf.
So they're doing a giveaway. I love this. Love this.
You're backing away too far.
It's an infinity scarf if you want.
Yeah.
It's by the company. I'm gonna tell you guys.
Oh, I got something, mommy.
You got something?
I know how they can enter the giveaway. Okay. I know how they can.
So the rules are fairly simple. You just have to be subscribed to my channel.
I'm a girl. And one more thing, subscribe.
And comment down below which one of these hats are your favorites. We have the black one, which is like,
Pick me up.
you know, I'm having a bad hair day.
This is the rules. You should have to subscribe and comment down below all.
And then you have.
Mommy.
Okay, go ahead, make the rules. Go ahead.
Okay, you gotta subscribe and comment down below when all of us were born.
Pick me
okay?
up. This is
Our birthdays,
Almost
yes.
5 birthdays.
All the 5 kids.
Sister, pick me up.
5 kids' birthday.
Yeah.
There you go. Easy. Nice and simple. If you want to know all that detail, just head over to my Instagram.
Yeah.
Albornoz growing.
And
all one word.
you gotta follow
The more
her on
hats.
Instagram.
The more hats I get,
Another
the more money I
infinity.
get.
But the company name is
It's Ace.
actually I'm gonna hide the company detail in my Instagram.
It's
so you gotta go
Hat
over my
Simulator.
Instagram.
Yeah, you gotta follow her.
find the highlight.
Hat
I'm gonna
Simulator.
highlight it in my Instagram. And then you're gonna have to figure out what the name of the company is. And then you're gonna comment it down below, and you have to be subscribed to my channel in
No.
order to enter to win.
Because you should have watched the hat haul.
No.
You should have watched the hat haul.
So I will be giving away a few of these hats and stuff. And so anyways, guys, I think that's the update. Thank you guys so much
for watching.
and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
And like the video.
Bye, guys.
My tongue.